Hi everyone! Today we are breaking down how CT noise changes when we adjust mAs and kVp, and why the two behave differently. We'll also touch on how kVp affects the CT numbers or HU values. When we talk about noise, we mean the random grainy variation in pixel values. We measure it as the standard deviation in a uniform region. Most of this noise comes from photon statistics. Noise versus mAs. mAs controls the number of X-ray photons the tube produces. The more photons you have, the lower the noise. The key relationship is noise decreases with the square root of mAs. For example, if you double the mAs, you reduce noise by about 30%, because 1 over square root of 2 equals to about 0.7. This is why mAs gives a smooth, predictable improvement on image noise. Next, noise versus kVp. kVp is different because it changes both the energy and the spectrum of the photons. Higher energy photons penetrate the body more easily, meaning the detector receives many more effective photons. The relationship is stronger than mAs. Noise decreases roughly with kVp to the power of about 1.25. This is because the photon output is proportional to the kVp to the power of 2 to 3. So even a small increase in kVp can noticeably reduce noise, more than the same percentage increase in mAs. Why kVp has a strong effect? kVp affects noise more powerfully because higher energy photons are less likely to be absorbed inside the patient. More photons reach the detector, less noise. kVp also slightly changes the measured HU values because the X-ray spectrum shifts. Different tissues interact with different energies in different ways. So as the beam energy changes, the HU numbers can shift a little. This is normal and expected. To summarize, the photon output directly proportional to mAs and roughly proportional to kVp to the power of 2.5 to 3. Since noise is inversely proportional to the square root of photon output, noise is inversely proportional to 1 over square root of mAs and 1 over kVp to the power of 1.25 to 1.5. kVp also changes the X-ray spectrum, which can shift HU values slightly. Both parameters improve image quality, but kVp has the bigger impact on noise. And that's the basic picture of how mAs and kVp influence CT noise. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.